Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design a book text effect, using the blend tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the type tool. Click, and type book. After that, select this, hold Alt and Shift and make it bigger. Now select a light color from here. OK. Now select this. Hold the Shift and rotate it. Right-click on the mouse. Create outline. After that, select this. Pull and thicken it. Select this. Now go to the free transform tool. And perspective distort. Click this anchor point and drag it down. After that, select this, hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Now pull and thin. OK. Now select all. And go to the object. Blend. Make. Now double-click on the blend tool. Select the specified steps around 6. OK. Now select all and go to the object. Expand. And click OK. Now select the gradient color from here. After that, select all. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the transform. Reflect. And copy. Hold the Shift and place it like this. After that, select all. Hold Shift and rotate. Hold Alt and drag it down like this. Now go to the gradient panel. Adjust the gradient way you want. OK, our book text effect is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.